Hello, welcome back to the TV room. Oh, David Bradley here. I think I'm going to move this light over a little bit. So here is a very different view. As we do the initial looking into operation. It's funny, the top is, oh, what do we got here? Is it a 5? No? 8-pin video. The top, oh, and it has ComSpec on it. I know ComSpec. Oh, does it have screws in it? Yes, it does. ComSpec. Started as communication specialist and then went on to basically all kinds of wonderful things. Alright, so before plugging it in, which I don't always do, I will take out the screws. Of which there are 3. And I hate losing screws, so I will carefully turn the machine over and shake them out. Now it's funny, as I said, the bottom is not terribly yellowed. The top is terribly yellowed. Oh dear. Alright, keyboard off. Get away. So this one here is mostly, almost completely soldered in. That is too bad. You know what I'm going to just do here? Because it has the 8-pin. I'm going to, oh, this is not easy. I'm going to reach around the monitor. There. And flip the input switch to the 8-pin. I shall. Anyway, in glancing around, I don't see anything terrible. An obvious failure. The keyboard, sorry, the power switch is off. The monitor is on. So we'll turn it on. Okay, I hear things. Do I see anything? No, but I hear things. Now, most every chip in this machine is not socketed, which means we can't have a socket failure, but it is disturbing because it's so much easier to check things when you do have sockets. Not that they can't be put in. Anyway, I'm going to put in this dead test cartridge and just see if anything comes up. It usually takes a little bit of time. It does. But it's not making the funny noises that it was. But it's also not coming up at all. Alright, well, we'll take this out and we'll put in all by itself the retro rewind dead test. I've got it on dead test number, let me think. Dead test 2. Okay, let's just see if it does anything different. And so far, it is doing nothing. So I'll take this back out. And I suppose, because I can, and I shall, I'm going to double check and make sure there is a VIC chip inside, or a VIC-2 chip inside of this machine. I suspect there is, but until you look, how do you know? Yes, there is. There is a chip. And it's the right way, but it's not working. So much as funny though, I know the fuse is good because it makes that little noise. And then there is that buzzing. There is. So, oh, there's a chip over here that's been replaced way at the end. I'm not sure if that's a RAM chip or not. I'd have to look that up. I suppose if I put on my glasses, I could possibly be able to see. I could. Let's see here. No, it doesn't look like a RAM chip. The RAM chips are here. This is some other support chip that has been replaced. Interesting. All right. Well, let's see here. I'm just looking around. The other thing I will do is I will feel the chips one by one and see if anything is coming up as remarkably hot. Well, that's kind of, the PLA chip's kind of hot. That's not surprising, because it's sort of a typical failure. Whoa, that is hot. The SID chip is hot. Oh no. Well, as it's one of the only ones socketed, and the machine does not really need it to operate, it is rare. It's not rare that a SID chip is bad, but it's rare that a bad SID chip would keep a machine from working. But you never know, you know. Yeah. Right, so we have nothing. Alright, well, with great care, we'll put the SID chip back in. When we turn it on, we'll hear that same strange buzzing noise, which we don't need to hear anymore. Alright, glasses off. What did I do with my note paper? Is it under here? I had it on top of the monitor, but I moved it. Because I thought it would fall. Things are trying to fall. What did I do? Oh, come on. Oh, okay. Okay. So, eight pin video SID plus VIC-2 in. It's hard to write on this where you don't know if you've actually got something under in sockets. Dead. Screen. Flash. Gentle buzz. No display. One small chip in a, it's weird, in a socket. Top yellowed. Oh, and I suppose as we do this, not a bad thing, to flip this over and write down SC 126163 serial number. Oh, also spec sticker. All right. So fold this up, and we'll fold this up. Fold this up again, and we will take the top and put it back on, and oh, I guess I didn't do it last time, but this time I guess I'll put the LED in. Oops, missed. And I guess I will connect the keyboard. Not that it matters. It's not working, as I knew it would not. And we'll put the screws in. And we'll screw it shut. Except the screw, that screw does not bite. It may be not aligned, or it could be. I don't know. I think the towers on the other side of this case are somewhat deficient. And then we'll stick this in the user port. We'll put it over here with another 64. Oh dear, things are trying to fall. Another 64 that we know is dead. All right, well, it is not surprising that a 64 that we were told was dead is in fact dead. So thanks for coming. There's more to look at. Bye for now.